The insurance companies never fail. They always are able to pick themselves up and save themselves. This is the amazing difference between banks and brokerages on the one hand and insurers on the other hand. Although at no time, this is very important to note, at no time were the insurance operations of AIG in doubt. At no time was AIG in a situation where it would not have been able to pay off its policyholders. There really has never been a time. There have been times when insurance companies have failed, but there's never been a time when insurance companies' policyholders were not paid off. And that is an incredibly important part of America's financial story. It means you have hedges so that even if extremely bad turns are taken by the economy, you will be safe. You have to have the ability to hedge your bets that professionals have. The great problem is that for most of us, even for someone like me who's been following money for a long time now, doing these hedges is extremely difficult and involves areas of expertise that we don't have. So where do we get that expertise? Where do mom and pop get the expertise? Through institutions that sell hedging expertise, that sell products that are insured. That means insured annuities, fixed and variable with floors and sometimes even with inflation protection. And that means insurance companies. To be really smart about protecting your families, at least some large portion of your savings should be investment products offered by insurance companies. Retirement income products that come with the backing and hedging abilities and guarantees of the major insurers. Even in the very worst of times, such as we've seen in the last several years, these providers have offered annuities and payment streams that have been safe, that have been paid out exactly what they promised to pay out. The big insurers teetered in the last few years, some of them did, but they never missed a payment on their policies for annuities or for life insurance, even in these most difficult times. They know difficult times. They know how to reserve and have hedges for difficult times, even for catastrophic times. You can, for a very small fee, get their hedging expertise to work for you. When the insurers offer you an annuity through Anil and through you men and women in this room, or another financial product, they're offering you not only the product, but their whole array of experience and prudence in the world of income maintenance products. It makes sense in this very tricky world of ours to take them up on it. Or you can put it another way. You can see the investment landscape littered with the broken dreams of those who put their trust in Wall Street. And you can see the calm and sheltered and protected lives of those who trusted the insurance companies and who bought insured products. The fate of all of us, every one of us, even people who have a great deal of money, is to have a goodly amount of fear in his or her life. That's just how we humans are made. We have a goodly amount of fear. Reality adds to this fear. There are just many frightening things out there. One of the worst is fear of financial insecurity. We can defeat a good chunk of that fear by asking the insurance companies to stand between our families and the tides of danger that are always lurking there for the unwary. I liken the insurance companies and people like you who sell their products to the fire department or the police or even the military. You guard us against danger, and properly employed, you do a darn good job of it. So if you are the breadwinner, if you're the man and woman in charge of your family, you have a choice. You can gamble with your family's future, or you can use the resources available to you to keep them safe. So which do you want to do with your family's retirement? Your wife's peace of mind, your kids' college? It reminds me of that great scene from Dirty Harry, where Dirty Harry is saying to the guy, so do you want to take a chance, punk? Do you want to choose? But anyway, do you want to take a chance, or do you want to play it safe? You can go with the insurance companies. You can go with the insured products. You can go with keeping your retirement safe, keeping your wife's peace of mind safe, keeping your kids' college safe, or you can gamble. Insured investments, products for these troubled times, for the days when people are not being served well by the people they trust in the government and in high positions on Wall Street. When Wall Street has turned out to be the Las Vegas Strip, insured products are not an option, they are a necessity. Thank you very much, Anil, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for letting me talk to you. It has been a pleasure, as always.